Hi guys, this is Dave the Parts Guy here at Legacy Harley Davidson. I want to tell you a little bit about what we're going on here in the next immediate future. Starting Saturday the 17th, we're going to have our kickoff of the summer celebration of the 120th anniversary of Harley Davidson. We're going to have a custom bike show. There is no charge to enter the bike show, and all entries will automatically be registered to win a pair of passes to ride in the parade on the 120th homecoming in Milwaukee. Besides that, we're going to have food and beverages from On the Rocks. We're going to have JD the DJ playing tunes rocking all day long. So come on out, enjoy some of the fun with us, and maybe win something. Besides that, I want to tell you about the Rolling Sturgis promotion we have going on. Whenever you come in with any kind of purchase, you're going to get one of these. This little card here that we're going to fill out, we'll put in a box, and this gives you a chance to win a signed guitar from Jesse James Dupre from Jackal. And there's some other different Sturgis wristbands and some shirts, some different swag that you could possibly win. You're also going to keep this top part and scan this QR code. When you do that, you'll automatically be registered to win a 23 Street Glide or possibly $1,000 cash. That's also from Harley Davidson. So none of this costs anything. Come on out and get it, take advantage of it. We've also still got our Father's Day special over at Motor Clothes going on until after Saturday. So come on out and take advantage of that. Now I want to talk a little bit about customization. We are the specialists in that. The coolest thing about Harleys is it's unlimited what kind of customization you can do on them. It's just mild to wild, anything you want to do. And what we're here for is to facilitate that for you, so and show you, what kind of parts work and what works together. So whether you want to do comfort, performance, audio, just appearance, whatever, that's what we're here for. So please come and consult with us on that, and we'll get you on the right path. I'd also like to tell you we got a ton of used bikes in here, pre-owned bikes that have some of these things on there, so you can sit on it, you can feel it, you can know what these handlebars feel like. It's a real good way to go with that. So again, that's what we're here for. Please come out and ask us, tell us what you're thinking about, and we'll give you some suggestions and show you what the possibilities are. So thank you, ride safe. We hope to see you this weekend for sure. God bless. This is Dave the Parts Guy at Legacy Harley Davidson. We'll see you soon.